Imagine a company built entirely around Bitcoin's potential, backed by a team of industry titans and a war chest of capital. That's Strive Inc., NASDAQ, ASST, the first publicly traded asset management firm focused on Bitcoin treasury strategies. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a board stacked with Bitcoin experts truly outperform the volatile crypto markets? Let's break down their bold moves and the questions they raise. Strive's leadership team reads like a who's who of Bitcoin innovation. At the helm is CEO Matt Cole, flanked by heavyweights like Shirish Jajodia, Strategy, Ben Workman, Swan, and Pierre Rochard, the Bitcoin Bond Company. Their combined expertise spans treasury management, capital markets, and institutional-grade Bitcoin investing. But is a board stacked with Bitcoin veterans enough to navigate the unpredictable crypto markets? Or does this concentration of opinion risk blind spots in a rapidly evolving space? The company's financial blueprint is equally audacious. Strive launched with 69 Bitcoin, acquired via a Section 351 tax-efficient exchange during its merger with Asset Entities Incorporated. Now, they're leveraging a $750 million financing round and up to an additional $750 million from warrant exercises to accelerate Bitcoin accumulation. Think of this as a dual-engine strategy. Use fresh capital to buy Bitcoin while maintaining financial flexibility. But here's the twist. Strive isn't just buying Bitcoin. They're also preparing to issue a publicly traded perpetual preferred equity security in 2025. This hybrid instrument aims to amplify Bitcoin exposure for common shareholders, while offering yield-focused investors a steady income stream. Sounds innovative, but does it add value in a market where Bitcoin's price alone drives most returns? To fund this expansion, Strive has tapped into its status as a well-known seasoned issuer, WKSI, a regulatory badge that lets it raise capital swiftly via a S3 ASR shelf registration. This includes a $450 million at-the-market ATM program and a $500 million stock repurchase plan. The ATM program allows Strive to sell shares directly to investors at market prices, while the buyback ensures they can capitalize on undervalued stock. Together, these tools create a dynamic balance sheet, aggressive enough to chase Bitcoin gains, but disciplined enough to protect shareholder value. But let's not forget the human element. Strive's board isn't just a list of names. It's a curated team with rare synergy. A mission-aligned board is essential for a Bitcoin treasury company to achieve its goals, Cole emphasized. He highlights the team's world-class expertise in Bitcoin treasury management, capital markets, policy, and governance, claiming their chemistry is rare and will drive substantial shareholder value. Yet, can any team truly outperform Bitcoin's price action over the long term? After all, Bitcoin's volatility is both its greatest risk and reward. The company's ambitions extend beyond its own operations. Its subsidiary, Strive Asset Management, has already grown to manage over $2 billion in assets since launching its first ETF in 2022. With a focus on increasing Bitcoin per share to outperform the asset itself, Strive is betting on a future where institutional demand for Bitcoin eclipses retail speculation. But what if that future never arrives? What if Bitcoin's adoption stalls? Or if regulatory headwinds shift the playing field? Strive's press release is clear. This is not an offer to sell, but a glimpse into a high-stakes game. The company's forward-looking statements carry inherent risks. Market volatility, regulatory changes, and execution challenges could all derail their plans. Yet the question remains, is Strive's strategy a masterstroke of Bitcoin innovation, or a gamble that could backfire? We'll leave you with a challenge. Do you trust a team of Bitcoin experts to outperform the asset itself? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're curious to learn more, visit strive.com or follow the company on X at @Strive. Just remember, the future of Bitcoin investing is as unpredictable as the markets it seeks to dominate.